R32 by. Good to see our cars together.
Walk around again.
Yeah, I guess so.
Film one last week, might as well film another one, you know, get them all out. Adam's gone.
Yeah, he gets mad when you go camping and then he goes camping in like a barn or something. Yeah. No.
Camping in a barn, man. I don't know what's going on. Was he mad that I was gone?
Yeah, he said that you were doing like medieval times tenting and stuff.
Oh yeah, he was so pissed in the wheel video.
Yeah.
Alright. Anyways.
Alright. Yeah, I've had this car for almost 5 years now. Done almost as much as I want to do to it. There's not really much else. It has a RB25 Series 1 out of an R33. Yeah, it's a completely stock engine, just a couple of bolt-ons. It's got cams, a bigger turbo, forward-facing intake. I can show you.
You've done a lot to this thing, right? Like,
yeah.
This thing's been apart, put back together like
30 different times.
I'd say so.
So I actually officially got it running last year in April, and so I've been driving it ever since then and just kind of finding little issues with it. Yeah.
Man, this thing looks fun. Some crazy action. Oh, did you put your new? Oh, you did, right? The new valve covers.
Yeah, these are off like a R31 ETSR. It's like a red top RB20. So they're a lot harder to find just because they have the fins on them. They're a bit more desirable. I actually bought an RB20 for $200 and I traded the RB20 for the valve covers.
Oh, hell yeah.
Traded a whole engine for them. But yeah, custom T4 twin scroll manifold, the Borg Warner S300, Audi R8 coil packs, 800cc injectors. This is a Niztune ECU, so it still has a mass airflow sensor, but instead of it coming off the turbo and being like the big ugly stock one, it's a HPX map, so it's kind of like R35 style sort of. That's pretty much it for the engine. I don't know how much power it makes. It's right now it's 1,000 horsepower, at least.
There we go.
On low boost.
Dude, this thing looks like it can make fucking 1,000 horsepower, man. This thing's bigger than my head.
But yeah, we painted the engine bay like a custom color, so it's just like a black single stage, but it has a bunch of blue flake. If you kind of look at it, it's sometimes a little bit blue. Yeah, it's 23 psi boost right now. But yeah, I haven't dynoed it or anything. I did have it on the dyno once, but that idle air control valve like completely blew apart. So that was
yeah. That's what you want.
Yeah.
How was it driving it to work today? Was it fucked?
It's a bit weird, yeah.
Yeah.
The idle's still really bad. It kind of fluctuates. I think the idle air control is still a bit messed up. But yeah. Yeah, it's bad. And if you boost it hard and then get off the gas, it just dies instantly at a light. So it definitely needs some tune work, yeah.
This thing's low as shit too, like it's lower than Yeah, you put a lot of work into this thing, hey? It's like, this is like 4 years in the making, kinda.
Yeah, I think I've worked on this car longer than I've driven it. It's so bad, because it was RB20 when I first got it. But yeah.
Yeah, because I remember you used to you'd bring it to school with your L, and then your dad would just let you leave it there.
Yeah.
And then we would take it around the block during mechanics in grade 11 or some shit.
Yeah.
That's back when it was RB20, right?
Yeah. And the BR rev limiter, so it would fuel cut, so it would just dump flames out the back. It had an adjuster bar on it. I don't have that anymore though. Yeah.
Right on. Oh yeah, wheels, man.
So I got these rebuilt by Pine Engineering this year. I used to have SSR SP1s and 18s, and then I went down to 16. I wanted to do 15s, but I didn't think they would fit, so I did 16s. They're SSR formula mesh, and then they're 9.5, -8 front, and 16 by 10, -2 in the rear. So it's a 4.5-inch lip on either side. It's just a little bit less width on the front. And then I have to run a 20mm spacer on the front to clear the caliper, because it's just the calipers are, I guess, too big on these cars. But yeah.
A little bit too zoinked, eh, buddy? Oh, what the?
Yeah.
No, it looks sick though. It looks really good.
I'll go backwards and put 4-lug hubs and rotors and stuff on it, and then I can do whatever I want. Just 14th or something.
Put it on 13.
Yeah. So if you look, I have a brand new carpet. I was driving home last year and I had a fire extinguisher in my back seat, and I went around a corner too hard and the pin came out and smacked against my seat and exploded everywhere. It was so bad.
It's not what you want.
It was chemical burned in the carpet, so I had to get a new one. Yeah, and then I put my bride seats in here just because the other ones are, I sold Adam, I think, yeah. That's pretty much it for here. I have 3 boost gauges. I have like all these different gauges. So I have the controller here for the boost, AFR, another boost gauge, oil pressure, water temperature, and then I have another oil pressure down there. So I have 3 boost gauges because there's one on the factory tack. So yeah.
Turn up the bass and let the trunk rattle.
John Pizza.
Yo.
Take it for a rip, man.
Sounds good.
All right, buddy.
Well, of course it starts right at that. Okay, this, I want to get rid of this so bad. It's my E-fan. The stock fan is definitely the way to go. I'm so stressed out all the time. I have like my finger on the on button because I'm so scared it's not going to be on.
Everyone always wants E-fans so bad.
Yeah.
But I was one of those people like a week ago, and then like found out it's not the way to go.
No.
Like,
Yeah. It's so sketchy. Like, because you can't really hear if they're on or not. You don't know.
yeah. It's not like if you're stock, it's always on, right?
Yeah.
So.
Also, my water temp gauge doesn't work, so it makes it a bit scary.
Oh hell yeah, that's what you want.
Yeah. Alright. I don't really know where to go. I guess you haven't been in it yet since it was 2.
No, I haven't. Yeah, I was only in it when it was like cutting out at like $3,000 or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus, man. Sounds sick though, man.
Oh, like for some reason in first and second gear it sounds way cooler than any other gear. So like hits more boost or something.
Yeah. And where's like a good spot to do a pull?
Yeah. Each maybe.
Yeah, true. Holy fuck, man.
That was low boost. Now you,
Sick.
we can turn it off too. It's the electronic boost controller.
Oh, you still like that?
Yeah.
Some high-tech shit, man.
I know.
Let's blow the engine right now.
Yeah. Really.
Max boost. Something just came off the car.
Oh, that was all the time.
It's
Yeah.
alright, just losing parts.
It's like 90% of the front end is just zap straps, so they
Oh,
all
yeah.
just break off all the time. I kind of messed with the preload. I took one of the collars out in the front to make it lower,
Oh yeah.
and ever since then it's been super stiff on the front.
What
It's
do you
so much quieter now. Like,
Quiet?
well, it's quieter now because it was just full straight pipe before, basically.
Oh yeah, like yeah, cruising speed, it's not bad. Like,
Yeah.
you gonna rip it? Holy shit, man! Holy fuck, man! Dude, like, you feel that in your chest, man. Holy
Yeah.
shit!
Once it gets into boost, it just like pulls
Yeah,
you
I
back.
was
man.
locked in. I was like,
Going from like a Corolla to this is like, so
how
weird.
far? Touch the gas and you're gone.
Yeah. If I was ever to change something on this car, I would put like a older turbo on it. Like an old gray turbo or something like that.
True.
Something to get like more crazy sound. I think that was a flame.
Yeah, big time.
So I was turning it back down. The tuner guy was like, "Hey, don't run it at that." 'Cause
Really?
Yeah.
That was fucked.
Yeah. It's a bit bouncy.
That thing's really cool.
Thank you.
Shit, man, the camera's gonna overheat. We gotta wrap this up.
Uh-oh. Okay.
It's gonna blow up, man.
Yeah.
Got anything to say, man? Any last words? Not last words, but
Last words, yeah.
last words in the video.
Any suggestions for RB25s? Don't like overbuild it like crazy because it kind of sucks and it's really expensive. So just do stock RB25 if you're gonna do it.
Stock is cool.
Yeah, definitely.
This thing's also pretty sick too. What's going on with the camera today? It just won't focus. It's falling apart, man.
Yeah.
You have to quit YouTube.
Instagram is Ben_R32 if you want to follow me. I don't really post a lot, but do it.
Post enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you like the video,
Yeah.
like, share, subscribe. You know, if you're new here, welcome to the channel.
Yeah.
6 o'clock, you know,
Yeah.
way she goes.
And Adam will be back soon, right?
Yeah, Adam's
Sunday.
back on Sunday, and then we can start doing shit to this again, and
Yeah.
hopefully he has some word on the Sylvia. Do you have anything on the Sylvia?
Yeah, I don't know. We're trying to get like an interpreter guy to like translate to him, because the guy every single time we pick up and we're like English, and he's like no, and just hangs up.
Fucking Wabaki, man.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, I don't know how long this video is gonna end up being. Probably like a pretty quick one, but
Yeah.
we just thought we'd get something out there this week, you know, until Adam gets back, and we can go full chooch on the videos again.
Definitely, yeah. He's got to drive the scooter more.
He does. We have to get some scooter content out.
Yeah.
Figure out what's going on with the camera. I don't know why it's so fucked, but away she goes.
It's all wrong.
It's alright, man. We go home, man, make some dinner.
Yeah. Some food, some cereal.
Some cornflakes, man.
Yeah.
What's that pop? What's that pop too?
Yeah, the Zevia.
Is it
It's
the
like,
stevia so like pop?
yeah,
Is it good?
it's good. It's pretty good. They have
Is-
black cherry, root beer, ginger ale, orange. If you're lucky, they have lemon zest. That's the best one.
Does it have like lemon zest in it?
It could. It's clear.
Oh,
They don't
shit,
put
it's
any
clear.
color
They're
in it.
lying to us, man.
Yeah.
Fuck, eh? Which one's your favorite?
Black cherry because it's most accessible. Everywhere has black cherry.
They all have it?
Yeah.
You gonna go crack one open right now
Yeah.
as soon as you get home?
Yeah.
Comment below your favorite, what the fuck is it called, flavor?
Yeah.
Zevia?
Anything. It doesn't have to be Zevia. It can be anything.
Yeah, your favorite pop, comment
Yeah.
below.
Yeah.
Okay, Code Red or Voltage, man.
Mountain Dew?
Yeah,
Whoa. I think Voltage is better.
Voltage is the best.
Yeah.
No doubt. Baja Blast can fuck right off.
Oh, blast.
Yeah, it's trash, man.
There was like a couple years ago, Halo 4 first came out, and they had Voltage, White Crush or something, Code Red, and each one you get 4 XP.
Oh,
That
hell
was
yeah.
the time.
That's
I had the
good
most
value.
sugar. It was good.
Is that it, man?
I think so. I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, thanks for wasting some gas for some content.
Yeah. Thanks
And
for
then-
having me.
Yeah, no worries, dude. It was a pleasure to have you pull up on my driveway. You know? Well, right on.
Alright.
That's it.
Sounds
Fucking give her one of those, man.
good. There we go.
Good enough.